Okay, let's take a look at the frame parts list. So this page is just going to show us the sizes of each part. So for this particular part, you have these sizes. So there will be 3 at 24 inches and so on. What's probably of more interest is the optimized cut list. The optimized cut list is it's a pretty strong optimization. Now, by default, we use a 0.2 inch saw blade. So if your saw blade thickness is different than that, you might consider changing it. And this uh, controls how long the program will search for an improved solution. Um, Sometimes maximizing that will get us a better result. Most of the time we get a pretty strong, good result the first time around. We could also individually modify the cut list. We could add drops into it if we wanted to use up materials that we had on hand. We could also explore using different sizes of stock lengths, and when we optimize that, it'll pick out the one that's best, based on the parameters that we passed in, and then we can update our cut list accordingly. It's important to note that flashing at this time, it's not cut around door openings, so you'll want to make sure that you mark up this list accordingly. The effective yield neglects the last drop, so the algorithm tries to maximize the size of the last drop. Your actual job yield, if you count the last drop as waste, would be this value. Total pieces cut, that's, you need 30 different items of this part number. Total length of the pieces cut, stock lengths that you need. Now, if you compare this list of the stock lengths that you need to your parts list by vendor, you might find that there are some extra stock lengths. This optimization is actually quite a bit stronger than the one that we use to figure parts requirements on the proposal. Yeah, it's gonna basically give you a list of, for each stock length. So one of two similar, so that means number 1 and number 2, if you look at the sizes, they're all identical. No amount remains, no amount remains. It's optimizing it to a 288 inch piece, which you probably buy it with an extra inch or two. Project name, location, component type, all of that is labeled. And you can see it, it's a pretty strong optimization. Maximizes the last remaining piece. Now, you guys might not like that the cut list displays in a decimal form. So what can be done about that? We can actually change the display to a fractional value. You can see halves, quarters, 3/4, and so on. It's also possible to download a CSV of the parts list if you want to feed it into another program and compare your optimization results or what have you.